When we look at our world from a cosmic perspective, we see a beautiful ball of blue and green floating around. The blue, so precious, is as abundant as it is limited, and the green is the ultimate fuel that powers all life forms. But it's 2020. Our blues and greens are massively degrading. We need to fix our colors. We need colors that are sustainable as well as scalable. Colors that are non-toxic, vegan, eco-friendly, and truly natural. Colors that live and breathe. Lucky for us, the solution is already there, but not in now, in the past, in the ancient recipes of Ayurveda. We at True Tone Inc. have been experimenting and reinventing these recipes for the past 20 years to fit into a modern paradigm we call herbal dyes. Herbal dyes are primarily sourced from organic food waste, which promotes circular economy and ensures sufficient supply for bulk without affecting the food chain. Once processed into the dye form, the colors can be applied on any scale, widely applicable on different kinds of textiles, and can be used for dyeing as well as printing on any existing setup. Our patented process ensures standardized shades, which is unheard of in the context of natural dyes. Moreover, our color fastness complies with international parameters, making our dyes suitable for industrial application. The biggest game changer of herbal dyes concerns the blues and greens. Our dyes are manufactured in a waterless and smoke-free environment. The waste generated from application is free of any toxicity. While the water can be completely recycled, the solids can be used as organic manure. Our process and raw materials are organic and GOTS certified. This production and application cycle generates almost zero carbon footprint. We practice transparency and accountability, hence we offer our brands a unique traceability tag. True Tone Inc. has been creating true value for brands across the globe. You can find beautiful earthy tones that are soothing to the eyes as they are to the skin. Our dyes can make the fabrics hypoallergenic, insect repellent, and healing. Unlike synthetic textiles, herbal dyed textiles are anti-inflammatory and non-carcinogenic. And the odor-free and antibacterial property of our dyes makes it excellent choice for bed and bath. Herbal dyes retain the essence and beauty of natural dye while being incredibly robust. A true solution that restores the balance of our blues and greens. This is our only way forward.